In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your TradingView chart settings and colors to make your charts look better step by step. 2025. First, open TradingView and head to any chart you like. It doesn't matter which symbol you choose right now. We're focusing on the visual setup. On the top toolbar of the chart, look for the gear icon. This is the Chart Settings button. Click it to open the settings window. You'll see several tabs across the top: Symbol, Status Line, Scales and Lines, Canvas, Trading, Alerts, and Events. We'll walk through the most important ones to get your charts clean, readable, and consistent. Start with the Symbol tab. This is where you control how your candlesticks look. Set the up color for bullish candles, the ones that close higher than they open, and choose a shade that's easy to distinguish at a glance. Many traders prefer green, but pick a color that fits your theme and is easy on your eyes. Next, set the down color for bearish candles. Red is common, but again, clarity is the priority. While you're here, adjust the border and wick colors if needed. Matching borders and wicks to the body color can look clean, while using a slightly darker shade can improve contrast. The goal is to make it effortless to read price action without straining. Now go to the Canvas tab to change the chart background color. If you chart for long periods, this can reduce eye fatigue. A soft, dark background tends to improve contrast with bright candles, while a light background can feel more familiar if you're used to traditional charts. Keep the background and candle colors balanced so everything stands out without looking harsh. Next, open Scales and Lines. Here you can adjust the price scale colors, grid lines, and axis visibility. If your chart feels cluttered, try softening or reducing the grid lines so price action is the focus. You can also tweak axis labels to make them more readable and choose whether certain axes are visible. Subtle, consistent lines and clear scale labels create a professional, easy-to-scan layout. If you want even more control, explore the Status Line, Trading, Alerts, or Events tabs. The status line can show useful details like the symbol and indicator values. The Trading tab controls how positions and orders appear on the chart. Alerts and Events can show markers for important triggers or scheduled items. These are optional but can help keep you informed without visual overload. When you're satisfied with your customizations, click OK to apply the settings. Your chart should now look cleaner, clearer, and tailored to you. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.